Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Klipsch The Fives speakers and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these speakers are not connecting to your Bluetooth, or if they're not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth or your device or anything like that, or they're not responding. A factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now, the second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason where you want to clear the pairing history, clear out the settings, delete everything so that you can set them up like it's a new set of speakers. We can do this quite easily. All we need to do is, first of all, on the top, we're going to go to the source wheel, and we're going to put it on something like analog or phono. Either of those, it's fine. Mainly, it just should not be on Bluetooth. Then once we do that, we're going to come in and we're going to press and hold this pair button right here. And then while we're pressing and holding the pair button, we're going to come to the controller and we're going to hit this sub button over here with the arrow on the back. So we'll press and hold that once, release it. Once you've released it, you can go ahead then and release the pair button. And you should see on the top by the selector wheel, there is an LED light. It should start to blink red for about 10 seconds. That's indicating that the reset is complete. Once that happens, you can go ahead and set these speakers up like a brand new set of speakers.